Have you ever wondered what it takes to be successful? What are the key ingredients that differentiate the successful from the rest? Today, we are going to delve into this intriguing topic. Success, as we know, is not a destination but a journey. A journey filled with ups and downs, triumphs and setbacks. But there are certain elements that can make this journey smoother and more rewarding. Firstly, set a clear goal. Knowing where you're headed is the first step towards success. Having a clear vision of your destination helps you to focus and direct your energy in the right direction. Secondly, commitment is key. Successful people are not just those who dream, but those who are committed to making their dreams come true. They are relentless, not letting failures deter them from their path. Thirdly, dedication is vital. Success does not come overnight. It requires dedication and persistence. It's about putting in the effort, day in and day out, even when things get tough. Fourthly, integrity matters. Success is not just about achieving your goals, but about how you achieve them. Honesty, morality, and walking the right path are crucial to genuine success. Fifthly, learn and improve. Making mistakes is not the issue. Failing to learn from them is. Successful individuals constantly learn from their mistakes and strive to improve. Sixthly, hard work pays off. There's no substitute for hard work and perseverance. Remember, success is the result of preparation, hard work, and learning from failure. Seventhly, manage your time wisely. Time is a non-renewable resource. Successful people understand the value of time and manage it effectively. Eighthly, take care of your health. Good health is the foundation of success. Without it, all the achievements and wealth are meaningless. Lastly, maintain a positive mindset. A positive attitude can move mountains. It helps you overcome obstacles and face challenges with confidence. To wrap it up, success is a combination of many elements: clear goals, commitment, dedication, integrity, continuous learning, hard work, effective time management, good health, and a positive mindset. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey. So enjoy the journey and remember, each step brings you closer to your dreams.